Following this? Okay. So, this part is exciting. So, am I right? Okay. So if that's that, then we can do this. And that's Schrodinger's paradox, right? Is the cat dead, or is the cat not dead?
Messages, Professor Gopnik.
Thank you, Natalie. Oh, Clive, come in. So, what can I do for you?
Dr. Gopnik, I believe the results of the physics midterm were unjust.
Uh-huh. How so?
I received unsatisfactory grade. In fact, F, the failing grade.
Yes. You failed the midterm. That's accurate.
Yes, but that is not just. I was unaware to be examined on the mathematics.
Well, you can't do physics without mathematics, really, can you?
If I receive the failing grade, I lose my scholarship, and I feel shame. I understand the physics. I understand the dead cat.
But you can't really understand the physics without understanding the math. The math tells how it really works. That's the real thing. The stories I give you in class are just illustrative. They're like fables, say, to help give you a picture. I mean, even I don't understand the dead cat. The math is how it really works.
Very difficult. Very difficult.
Well, I'm sorry, but what do you propose?
Passing grade.
No.
Or perhaps I can take the midterm again. I know now it covered the mathematics.
Well, the other students wouldn't like that, would they? If one student gets to retake the test till he gets a grade he likes.
Secret test.
No.
Hashi.
No, that's just not workable. I'm afraid we'll just have to bite the bullet on this thing, Clive, and...
Very troubling. Very troubling.
Hello, Cy. Larry Gopnik.
Larry, how are you, my friend?
Good. How you been, Cy?
Oh, fine. Can we talk, Larry?
What?
Hello? Larry?
Call back. Clive?
Physics department. She's just stepping up. Can I take a message? Okay, sorry. That was Cy Abelman. He said he got disconnected. Messages, Professor Gopnik.
Yes, thanks for coming. Clive, have a seat. We had, I think, a good talk the other day. But you left something.
I didn't leave it.
Well, you don't even know what I was going to say.
I didn't leave anything. I'm not missing anything. I know where everything is.
Well, then, Clive, where did this come from? This is here, isn't it?
Yes, sir. That is there.
This is not nothing. This is something.
Yes, that is something. What is it?
You know what it is, I believe. And you know I can't keep it, Clive.
Yes, sir.
I'll have to pass it on to Professor Finkel, along with my suspicions about where it came from. Actions have consequences.
Yes, sir. Often.
No, always. Actions always have consequences. In this office, actions have consequences.
Yes, sir.
Not just physics, morally.
Yes.
And we both know about your actions.
No, sir. I know about my actions.
I can interpret, Clive. I know what you meant me to understand.
Yes, sir, my sir.
Mere sir, my sir?
Mir, sir, my sir. Very uncertain.
So that delta x equals the square root of 0.077a squared minus 0, from which we derive the square root of 0.077a squared. And also, the uncertainty in p is equal to the square root of bracket p squared minus bracket p squared which also equals the square root of h over a squared, which lets us delta x, delta p equals the square root of 0.077 a squared h over a squared and 1.74 h bar, okay? The uncertainty principle. It proves we can't ever really know what's going on. But even though you can't figure anything out, you will be responsible for it on the midterm. Did you follow that?
Of course. Except that I know what's going on. How do you explain?
Well, it might be that in Olam Haba.
Excuse me. Not the point. In this world, Larry. Now, I'll concede that it's subtle, it's clever. But at the end of the day, is it convincing?
Well, yes, it's convincing. It's a proof. It's mathematics.
Now, excuse me. Mathematics is the art of the possible.
I don't think so. The art of the possible. That's... I can't remember. Something else.
I'm a serious man, Larry.
I know that, so if I've got it wrong, what do
So simple. See Marshak.
I know. I want to see Marshak. I want to see Marshak.
I fucked your wife, Larry. I seriously fucked her. That's what's going on. See